The simple past tense. The simple past tense expresses an action that was completed in the past at a definite point of time. For example, we played football yesterday. In this sentence, the verb played tells us that the action took place in the past, that is, yesterday. Second example, I wrote a poem. Here, the verb wrote tells us that the action took place in the past. Forming the past tense of verbs. The past tense of regular verbs is formed by adding ed to the end of the base verb. For example, the dog barked at the boy. The past tense of the verb barked is formed by adding ed to the verb bark. Second sentence, they called the plumber. The past tense of the verb called is formed by adding ed to the base verb call. Next example, I worked hard. The past tense of the verb worked is formed by adding ed to the verb work. So in all these sentences, the verbs are in the past tense. In order to show that we have already done something, we add the letters ed to the end of a verb. Some verbs form their past tense a little differently. Let us look at some verbs and the past tense that are formed differently. The past tense of the verb awake, bring, be, are, awoke, brought, was, and were. You will notice that the spellings of the past tense form a quite different from the present tense.